Assalamu alaikum. My name is Javed Iqbal from MSc Chemistry Evening 4th semester with roll number 5023. My presentation topic is insertion reaction. First of all, we tells us about insertion. What is insertion? Insertion means a molecule or a group insert into another bond. An insertion reaction is a chemical reaction where one chemical entity interposes itself into existing bond of typically a second chemical entity. Entity mean molecule or molecule fragment. We explain this definition from example. A is a molecule or a fragment. This can insert itself into this bond. This BC bond will break and this A molecule will enter between this bond. So a new bond will be formed, A, B and AC. There are two types of insertion reaction. First one is 1-1 insertion reaction and the second one is 1-2 insertion reactions. First of all, we explain 1-1 insertion reaction. If metal M and the X migrating group are end up at same atom is called 1-1 insertion reaction. Example, M is metal which is bonded to X. X is a migrating group. And metal is bonded to X migrating group and carbonyl group. When 1-1 insertion take place, the X migrating group will migrate to this carbonyl carbon atom. This type of reaction is called 1-1 insertion reaction because metal and X migrating group are attached to same carbon atom. Firstly, metal is in 18 electronic state. After the migration of this group, metal is in 16 electronic state. 1-1 insertion reaction is common in N1 type of ligand such as carbonyl. What is N1 type of ligand? When a ligand bind itself by one atom is called N1 type of ligand because their hapticity is 1. The next type is 1-2 insertion reactions. If metal M and X migrating group are end up at adjacent atom. For example, metal M is bonded to ethylene group and X migrating group. Insertion take place and this ligand X migrate from its place, so a vacant site at the metal, the migratory ligand X attached to this carbon, the migratory X group attached to this carbon and the metal attached to this carbon. Are 1-2 insertion reaction because both metal and migratory group are end up or attached at adjacent atom. In this case, metal is attached to different carbon and X migratory group is attached to different carbon. This is These reactions are common in N2 type of ligand such as ethylene. When a ligand binds itself to two atom called N2 type of ligand because their hapticity is 2. Here we explain carbonyl is a ligand which undergo insertion only in 1,1 reaction, and the ethylene undergo insertion only in 1,2, and SO2 is the only ligand which undergo insertion by both of the mechanism. It means that SO2 SO2 can insert itself by 1,1 insertion reaction and 1,2 insertion reaction. Next we discuss insertion reactions are reversible, but sometime it is observed in one direction and this direction is thermodynamically favorable. We can explain in two examples. In first example, sulfur dioxide is insert itself in this bond, metal alkali bond, and this type of compound is formed, and this reaction is proceed in forward direction and it is thermodynamically favorable. But in this reaction N2 is insert itself in between metal and aromatic group, and this reaction take place in the direction of elimination of N2 because it is favorable in this direction, while the insertion of N2 is thermodynamically unfavorable. Next we explain reaction involving carbonyl. Carbonyl show a strong tendency to insert into metal alkali to give metal acyl. In this example or in this complex, when CO carbonyl is added, this methyl group migrate to this carbonyl ligand and its insertion take place, while the other carbonyl ligand take its vacant site, and this type of complex will be formed. Here we explain the mechanism of this reaction. In this reaction this reaction is proceed in two steps. First step is fast step and the second one is slow step. Our fast step is called equilibrium step. In this step the methyl group migrate from its place to the existing carbonyl ligand, and there is mainly a vacant site at its manganese metal. Now the second step is the slowest step, in which the incoming ligand attack at its vacant site of manganese and acquire at its vacant site and form the new complex, and this incoming ligand may be carbon monoxide generally. Next, we explain the favorable conditions to increase the rate of insertion reaction. First one is insertion reaction involve migration of methyl group. In this migration, metal methyl bond will be break. If lower the strength of metal methyl breaking of bond, so higher the rate of insertion reaction. If higher if higher the rate of breaking of metal methyl bond, so lower the rate of insertion reaction. Lewis acid can increase the rate of insertion reactions. Oxidation of metal can increase the rate of insertion reactions. The last one is rate of insertion reaction is increased by using nucleophilic. Next, we discuss the uses of organometallic in organic synthesis. First use is industrial chemical reactions. In industry, tetraethylene tetraethylene industry में is used as a knocking agent in fuel, and the other carbonyl compounds like iron and nickel are used in various organic reactions to synthesize various organic compounds. Use is catalyst. In catalyst, Zilger catalyst is used for the polymerization of ethylene and propylene. Next is organometallic compounds of transition metal is used as a homogeneous catalyst. Organometallics is also used in research. In research, organometallics reagents and catalysts are used in synthetic organic chemistry. The next use of organometallic in research is TMS is used as a standard in NMR spectroscopy.